In this video, I'll guide you through how to make a resume in LibreOffice. Whether you're new to LibreOffice or just looking to streamline your resume creation process, this step-by-step guide will help you quickly and easily craft a professional resume using this free software. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open the LibreOffice app on your computer. If you don't already have it installed, you can download it for free from the official LibreOffice website. Once you have it up and running, you'll be greeted by the Start screen. Here you have the option to create various types of documents, but today we're focusing on Writer, which is the word processing component of LibreOffice. Next, click on Writer Document to open a new blank document. This is where the magic happens. LibreOffice Writer is a versatile tool that offers many features similar to other word processors. So if you're familiar with those, you'll find yourself right at home here. Now, look to the top left corner of the screen and click on File. This will open a drop-down menu with a range of options. From this menu, you'll want to select Templates. Templates are incredibly useful as they provide a structured starting point, saving you time and ensuring your document looks polished and professional. Once you've clicked on Templates, you'll need to click on Manage Templates. This is where you can access the library of templates available in LibreOffice. It's a collection of pre-designed documents that you can modify to suit your needs. In the Manage Templates window, you'll see the various categories of templates. What you're looking for here is the Resume category. Click on Resume, and you'll be presented with several different styles of resume templates. These templates vary in design, so take a moment to browse through them and choose one that best fits your personal style and the industry you're aiming to work in. Once you've found a resume template you like, click on it to open it in Writer. From here, you can begin customizing the template with your own information. Replace the placeholder text with your name, contact information, work experience, education, skills, and any other relevant details. Be sure to keep the format clean and easy to read, as this will make a positive impression on potential employers. LibreOffice Writer also allows you to adjust the fonts, colors, and layout to better fit your personal brand. Feel free to make these adjustments, but remember that readability is key. You want your resume to stand out, but not at the expense of clarity. After you've finished personalizing your resume, don't forget to save your work. Go back to File, then click Save As to choose the location on your computer where you'd like to store your resume. You can save it in various formats, including PDF, which is a popular choice for sending resumes electronically. And there you have it. You now know how to create a professional-looking resume in LibreOffice. This simple guide will show you how to make a resume in LibreOffice, helping you to present your accomplishments and skills effectively. Good luck with your job search, and remember that a well-crafted resume is your first step towards making a great impression.